Joey, what's up, man?
Hey! How's it going?
Not bad. How you been?
It was Thanksgiving. I thought I'd stop on by, say what's up. It's been a long time.
Yeah, anything new with you?
Yeah, I just got the new Taylor Swift CD.
Taylor Swift who?
Taylor Swift. Her new CD. Ah! I gotta stop making these YouTube videos.